First things first, make sure you have the latest version of Snapchat installed on your device. Head over to your App Store, search for Snapchat, and tap Update. If an update is available, this ensures you have access to all the newest features, including our exciting AI. Once your app is updated, open Snapchat. You'll want to navigate to your chat screen. You should see My AI appear at the very top of your chat list, usually with a special icon. If it's not there, don't worry, it might be rolling out to everyone gradually. To start chatting, simply tap on the My AI Contact. This opens up your direct conversation with the AI. You can think of it as a friend who's always available to talk, answer questions, or even help you brainstorm ideas. Now, the fun part: interaction. You can type anything you want into the message bar, just like you would with any other friend. Ask it general knowledge questions, request recommendations, or even get creative. Watch as My AI processes your request and generates a personalized response right before your eyes. It's designed to be engaging and helpful. Explore its capabilities. You can ask My AI to help you with tasks, like planning a birthday party, suggesting movie recommendations, or even giving you creative writing prompts. It learns from your conversations to become more tailored to you. Don't hesitate to provide feedback. If My AI gives a great answer, tap the thumbs up. If it misses the mark, you can tap the thumbs down. This helps improve the AI for everyone. And that's it. You've now successfully accessed and started interacting with My AI on Snapchat. Dive in, experiment, and discover all the ways this innovative feature can enhance your Snapchat experience.